Hi folks, today we are talking about a beautiful green vegetable growing in SJ's garden. It is none other than purslane, a great nutritional green vegetable we must eat. It is one of the few vegetables that's rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which are important to support healthy arteries and can help prevent strokes, heart attacks, and other forms of heart disease. In fact, purslane has the highest recorded level of omega 3 fatty acids of any land based plant. I bought seeds and tried, but I didn't see any germination. Not sure from where these greens popped, but giving a good harvest these days. I am so very happy to harvest these greens and eat. Purslane tastes good as well. We can cook it with lentils or can stir fry alone or with tomatoes with lot of onions. It can be used in many of the same ways as spinach and lettuce, such as in salads and sandwiches. It's a plant most of us consider a weed. It is a succulent that can tolerate drought and the heat of summer. We can grow in between other vegetables because it won't bother other veggies. It is known scientifically as Portulaceae oleracea and is also called pigweed, little hogweed, fatweed, or parsley. The succulent plant contains about 93% of water in stems and leaves. It has red stems and small green leaves, as you see here. It has a slightly sour or salty taste, similar to spinach and watercress. It is also high in many nutrients. I will post the vitamins and minerals information in the description for your information. This is cut and come again greens. So you cut them, water them thoroughly, and it will come back again. This is how the harvest look like. People sometimes get confused to identify the actual purslane with spurge, but I found it very easy. Most of the time these grow together, but spurge is quite different in terms of texture, color and thickness of leaves and stem, and it spills milk when we cut the stem. Purslane is a weed, so don't worry picking if you find it in your garden. It is easy to recognize and we can easily differentiate between purslane and spurge. Seeds are very tiny. You can see how small these are. I got these from the harvest and spilled those back to the garden beds for more purslane. I made a delicious purslane rice from today's harvest. I hope you enjoyed the details of purslane and the harvest. Thank you for watching friends. I'll see you next time.